babes, it's your girl Rockstar Rochelle up for another spring summer lineup. This is the fold away tote. I'm coming to you live at Summit. Don't know the products yet, but I know I will put it in the titling. Comes in several different colors. Just check it out in the Whisper Gray. It is made out of that canvas material. I love the contrasting double weaved straps on the outside. You can totally put your personalization here. It does have a firm bottom. You have a mesh pocket on this side and one on the other side. It has a firm like flap right here to put the little rivets right here, and it does have a handle so that you can totally carry this around. Why do we have this handle with a strap? Because you can actually hang this on the back of your car. So you guys needed a car carrier solution. This is it. That's why it's so sturdy. And on the inside, you do have a nice mesh pocket right there. Oh my gosh, this thing is going to be amazing. And now the kids things can all go in one thing. It's called busy bin, what I'm calling it. But I'm sure you can find more things that you can use. I can see those bag babes with wheelchairs. You can totally hang this stuff on the side, or things that you can make this more mobile in terms of a caddy. Okay, if you want more information on all this spring stuff, maybe you want a catalog for yourself, maybe you want a party of one, feel free to reach out to me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for all of the spring summer fun and check out my spring playlist. Yay!